Ocean trenches are long, narrow depressions in the seafloor and are typically around 24 to 36,000 feet below sea level, which are the deepest parts of the ocean floor. Oceanic trenches form where two tectonic plates meet. The deepest oceanic trenches are where a continental and oceanic plate are pressing against each other, and some of the shallower ones are where two oceanic plates are pressing against each other. The largest ocean trench in the world, the Mariana Trench, formed where the Philippine and Pacific Plate meet right off the coast of Asia. Oceanic trenches form when two tectonic plates, which make up the lithosphere, are being pushed against each other. One of the plates will begin to sink under the other, creating the trench where the two collide. Subduction is what causes the one tectonic plate to sink, because it's less dense than the other. And distortion is what causes the more dense plate to stay where it is and to push up against the subducting plate. The subducting plate will be pushed into the asthenosphere, where magma will turn the rock into more magma, and that magma will be pushed up through the distorting plate and can cause volcanic hotspots on the other side of the trench, and those hotspots, when they grow, can turn into more islands. The size of oceanic trenches is ridiculous. For the Mariana Trench, Mount Everest could fit inside and still have a mile to spare before the tip reached water level. Due to oceanic trenches being so deep in the ocean, very little light is found, which makes it pretty difficult for organisms to support life. However, some organisms have adapted to the low light levels and the lack of food, and three of the most common organisms that can be found in trenches are xenophyophores, amphipods, and sea cucumbers. However, there are many different species that we have not yet found. We've only explored about 5% of the ocean because it's very difficult to support missions to explore the deepest parts of the ocean, which are oceanic trenches. This has made it really difficult to discover all the organisms and geologic processes that are occurring in the trenches, so there's still a lot yet to be known about them.